Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Dear respected teachers, honorable guests, and my beloved brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I want to speak about a topic that lies at the heart of our strength, dignity, and the identity, the unity of the Muslim Ummah. وحدة الأمة الإسلامية. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together and do not become divided. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said in the Quran, إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون. Indeed, this ummah of yours is one ummah and I am your Lord, so worship me. This powerful verse reminds us that all the Muslims from east to west are one family, under one Lord, one Prophet, and one Quran. Unity is our greatest strength, and division is our greatest weakness. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, مثل المؤمنين في تودهم وتراحمهم وتعاطفهم كمثل الجسد إذا اشتكى منه عضو تداعى له سائر الجسد بالسهر والحمى. And do not dispute, otherwise you will lose your courage. The believers, in their mutual love, mercy, and compassion, are like one body. If one part of it suffers, the whole body responds with sleeplessness and fever. Today, we see one part of that body, our brothers and sisters in Palestine, bleeding and crying for help. The pain of Palestine is the pain of Ummah. The tears of Gaza should move every Muslim heart. If the Muslim Ummah, especially our leaders and rulers, stood together with one voice, one strategy, and one Quran, and one heart, the victory of Palestine would have been much easier. But our silence, our divisions, and our lack of unity made the enemies of Islam much stronger and more confident. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala already warned us, وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ, and do not dispute, otherwise you will lose your courage and your strength depart. When we are divided, our strength disappears. But when we are united, no power on earth can defeat us. My dear brothers and sisters, unity does not mean we all have to be the same. It means we must stand together with one goal, to please Allah and protect the dignity to 𝐒𝐻𝐭𝐫𝐲�00 Sharif. Let us unite our hearts with love and mercy. Let us support our brothers and sisters with our prayers, our voice, and our efforts. Let us raise a generation that believes in Islamic brotherhood. Allahumma sur ikhwanana fi Palestine. Allahumma kun lahum nasir wa mu'ina. ووحد صفوف المسلمين وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.